Hi, I'm Haley Carden, and this is my major and career plan ideas. So, the career plan that I chose was school counseling, and the duties and responsibilities that would come with that would be listening to students' concerns about various problems, whether social, emotional, academic, helping students process their problems, plan goals, and act upon those goals, mediate conflicts between teachers and students, improve relationships between the parents and the teachers within the school, help students with college application, jobs and scholarship, planning for the future, things like that, facilitate drug and alcohol prevention programs within the schools, organize peer counseling programs, refer students to psychologists and other mental health resources when they have issues, and working on academic boards to help improve the learning conditions within the schools, the school that I'm working in, as well as other schools that may be in the same district or area. The education that's required is a 4-year undergraduate degree if you would like to be a school counselor in elementary schools through high schools. But if you'd like to do counseling in higher schools than that, universities, colleges, private or vocational schools, any kind of higher education, then it requires a master's degree, just like other kinds of counseling does as well. So my education now is essential to my 4-year plan because I hope in the next 4 years to be graduated from college and to be working in the career of my choice. So the education that I have planned out right now, hopefully I'll be able to follow and be able to at least have my bachelor's degree and be able to hopefully be working towards a master's degree, so that I can have more options available to me through getting a degree in psychology. Why did I choose psychology? The top reason is because I'm able to follow several career paths and I'll have options, because I am still trying to figure out exactly what I want to do. I have ideas of what I'd like to do and paths that I'd like to take, but I'm not exactly sure what I would really want to do. And I really like change as well. I like to be able to experience different things and to be able to have options, not to feel stuck in one thing or another. And so that's probably the main reason why I chose psychology, was just so that I would have that ability. But I am interested in the subject of psychology. I love learning about why people are the way that they are, what makes us function and do the things that we do. And so those would be the top two reasons why I chose it, which do kind of correlate in chapter 13 of the book, because those are reasons why students do choose the degree of psychology, is because of the ability to take several career paths and that they are genuinely interested in the subject.